Say how excited I am to get a diaper change. Show him. Say I'm so excited to get my diaper changed. Yeah. Smile. You were smiling at me so much. You smile. Smile. Say I want a diaper change and have a full belly. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. There's your sweet smile. Braxton. Little half smile. Little half smile. Are you ready? Are you ready for a diaper change?
Oh.
Yeah. 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 Tell us. Say I'm ready. I'm so ready. Staring at the camera, thinking, what is that thing and why is she always pointing it at me? With pretty blue eyes. Hey. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Are you full? You have a full tummy now? Yeah. Yeah, you do. And I got my napkin. And I have a hair on my lip. Yeah. And chubby cheeks. Oh. What's that face? What was that face? Who was that? Yeah? No. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes. Say hi to Mama and say bye. I'm going to get my diaper changed. My bib's all crooked. Yeah, say bye. Bye, Mama.